Alexa,
no presentation.
Welcome back, everyone. Now we can start doing the coloring part. Okay, we need only very thin brushes like 1 or 0 or anything like that. You take. I have taken double 0. Okay, for the face you can do the coloring. Actually, now itself we need not. It is not recommended to give the color immediately and all. After the molded dries only we need to give. Just because this session I want to finish the work, I am doing it now itself. So when you are doing, just allow it to dry for a few minutes, then only it will become hard. It will be easy for you to handle and color the Ganesha. Okay. For the skin directly in Fevicryl, we have got flush tint color. Okay. Flush tint color is available. We can use that same thing for the skin part. If you want, you can add here tusk and all, but it will be very delicate. Now I can't handle the thing, so I have not added that tusk portion and all. Just paint it over here. The eyes you need not paint. While coloring it directly, the color alone you apply it. Okay, you need not touch water for this art. Like once. If you want whole of the thing, you can give white color Fevicryl, acrylic colors you can use, and then later you can give the skin color. So the color tint will be better with that. Now I need not waste time in giving the white color. So directly with the flush tint color, I am doing it. Just do it like back side, any one color fully you can give it. Front alone you can decorate it with all the colors. You can just make it. See that while giving the painting like the strokes are not visible. Okay, that stroke should not be visible. You should do it in such a way that it is feathery touch is done. Okay, the lines are not seen. Since because this color, it is like sides also you need to color it. Okay, this color is dull, no, since because this color is lighter color, you need to coat it twice. Okay, after it dries, once again you need to coat this. Load the brush with full color and then do the coloring. Give it in a smoother way so that no strokes are seen. And now even the sides, all the portions you need to color it. Now the face color I have given. If you want to give shading, you can give, or you need not give shading at all. Okay, now I'm going to give, I'm taking little of burnt sienna, and for this corners alone I'm going to give. This shading has to be done when the flush tint color is wet only. Very lightly I'm giving. Okay. Touch little water and just wipe off the color what we are giving. And front, if you want, you can use crimson and give colors, but I don't think so. It is required for this tiny thing. Then, if you want for the flowers and all, you can give something sparkly colors or anything you can give. For the leaf and the flower, I thought I can use sparkle colors, okay? Sparkle magenta I am giving, okay? So that it will have a shiny look. You need not touch too much water and all for this. Use only very small brushes, tiny brushes, pointed one you can use, and you can do the work. If you don't have flushed in color also, don't worry. You can take white color. Take very, very little of crimson. And crimson is nothing but red color, okay? Something like red. You can take one small drop of red color is enough. With that, little of lemon yellow you have to use. If you use that, you will get the same tint color. That flushed tint color you will get. Or if you don't have those, that mixing and all, you feel that if it is tough or anything, see the sides also you need to color it, otherwise it will look white color in those places. All the impressions, everything, it has to be colored nicely. You have to keep the brushes in such a way that it goes inside, and in certain places you may not be able to leave your brush fully. In those places, you can touch little water and you rub it over that place, paint it, okay? If you do that, then the color will be seen in those areas also, inside portions I'm talking about. So flower part here we have done. Then wipe off the brush nicely, go for the other color. Actually, for the ears also, we need to give the skin color. I'll give that first and then go for green, okay? For the ears too, you need to give this flushed tint color. Both front and back, if you want also, you can give, because this is little bit embossed, isn't it? The sides, everywhere you have to give. You take little more time and do it nicely, okay? Back side of the ears I'm giving just because it is going to be lifted and shown, okay? While we are keeping it in the fridge, it should not be visible like white color and all. It should not be visible. It will look ugly then. So this portion, I'll show you how to make the red shading. Take crimson, very lightly you have to touch, okay? Very lightly you touch, otherwise it will come like red color, it will come. So we need something like pink, okay? This portion from this part, you just make it like this. So you'll have a pink shade here. The ears, you'll have a pink shade. The same thing here, this side also, if you want, you can make it. And near the eyes and eyebrow also, if you want, you can do shadings. While doing shading, if you want to touch water, you touch and do it, only then the spreading will be good. Yeah, now I have given for the ears. Ears next, the side part, you can touch little of the burnt sienna and you can just color it. Very lightly I'm giving for the edges with little of burnt sienna. I'm giving like shading we are doing. Okay. Now the coloring is visible, I think. Now I'm going for the leaf coloring, okay? For the lotus here, the tram portion, if you want, you can have the same magenta color or you can go for some other color. I'm taking pearl metallic green, okay? Leaf and all, just because it is embossed and lifted up, isn't it? So you need to give at the back and all. You have hold it in your hand. Just see all the sides you have to see and then color it even at the back. It has to be given nicely. No place it should be seen like white color and all. For the leaf, we have done it. And for the Om here, we have written, isn't it? For that, I'm going to give blue. Sparkling dark blue. More than using sparkly colors, if you want any pearl colors also, you can use it. That also will look good. For this, I'm giving blue, okay? Everything is minute work actually. So do it in such a way that if you give different colors, only everyone will understand that it is something written there. Even gold and all you can give, but mostly the fridge will be in any metallic color only, isn't it? Any dull metallic colors only it will be there. So on your fridge, which color will suit properly, plan out that and do it. Take the colors according to that. It can be even gray or gold or copper or anything like that also you can use. I think this magenta itself, it will go better here, I think. Or red you can give. Poppy red is there. With that red color you can give. The top and bottom, I feel the same color will be good. It has not yet become stiff. That is, it has not become hard, okay? Just because of that only, it is a little bit difficult for me to color. Any correction, if you want to make when it is semi-dry itself, you try to make it. I'm making this little bit dull, okay? Like so that there will be some difference. See, very cute Ganesha painting. Painting alone, it is done. For the eyes, you can use either, you can color it or 3D cone liners can be used. If you feel that the cone liner, you will get somewhat thicker lines or something, you can use paint and pointed brush you can take and then color it. Apply little white in the center. Or the eyeball alone, you can just show it like this. It is very small picture, no? You can just color it with black alone, even that will be enough. While doing eyes and all, be very careful. I wanted the color to be dull only, so I'm leaving it like that. The eyeball. Just fill it in the eyeball. That refill impression we have given, isn't it? Just fill that portion alone. I'm making eyebrow too. But see that while doing eyes and all, you are making it perfect. Let the paint in the brush be pointed only. Okay, I've done the eyes. Then if you want, you can do the tilakam and designs in the tusk and all with paint or with the 3D cone liner. Now with paint itself, I'm going to do it. I'm taking crimson. And near to that impression what we have given, I'm just making a tiny line like this. And this portion, tiny V impressions we have given, isn't it? On that, I'm doing it with red. Let it be very tiny only, okay? Only then it will look good. And in the ears also, near the impressions, make tiny lines like this. In the flower, you can make it with either white or with yellow, you can make it. I'm going to do it with cone liner. Cone liner, white color you can take and just make it. Whenever you start using the cone liner, check in your rough cloth whether it is coming out properly. Otherwise, it may splash on the work what we are doing and it will spoil the work, okay? Thin lines I'm making it here. Just on the impressions you can make it. You can have one or two, like how many ever you want, you can have it. Okay? And on the leaves, we are going to make it with either green you can make it or with yellow you can make it. Just because we have given here metallic green, I'm doing it with yellow. Okay, neon yellow I'm taking it so that it look bright. The center line alone I'm making it with that. Okay. Then on this Om, if you want, you can have the same blue color line. Or now I am taking like gold color. I'm taking cone liner. You can either use whatever color is contrast to that place. Also, you can use it. We have given blue over here. If we want, you can use neon orange too and keep some dots over this place. Very small, tiny dots you make it so that the dots what we are making look like we are making the Om clear. Okay. So it will be understanding, like what we have done, it will be visible. Now this Ganesha is completed. Okay. Back side we have not colored anything. Here at the back we have not done any coloring. If we want, we can apply fully black color. Fully black color here we can apply. And then last with Mod Podge you can just give a coating. With Mod Podge you all know about this product, I think. Mod Podge you can give just one coating alone. So this cute Ganesha is completed. Fridge magnet Ganesha is completed. And these type of magnets are available in the stationery. These types of magnet, like in all sizes, so many sizes it is available. Whichever magnet is suitable for you, you can get it. Or even magnetic strips are available now. Like sellotape like thing is coming. Like you can cut the strips according to the requirement and then place it back with the Fevicol A+ you can use Fevicol A+ and just fix it to the back of the thing what we have done. This work is also, it is not at dried. Just I'll show you how to do the coloring for this. For this, both the hotting you can give the same color or you can give different colors. Okay. Now I'm going to do it with red only. Both the thing with just normal normal crimson I'm using it. Okay. Just apply crimson color, okay? This part fully, the center portion fully, first I'm applying red, okay? See that inside and all you are leaving it. On the sides also you need to color it, okay? Since because it is hotton, no, I wanted to give red color for both the hottons. If you want for the hotton, you can give shading and all, but this is very tiny and very little. Even though if we show shading also, it is not going to be visible enough. So directly you can just give red color, all the sides and all, you just give that. If for someone you are going to present this, even their initial, you can make it here. With paint, you can do that. Everything, if you do it with impression also, it is also not going to be looking good. Proportionately, it should be done. Don't touch water. It may start flowing because this is very tiny work. You can do it directly by touching the acrylic color, okay? Today that I have showed you 2 of the magnets. Leaf Ganesha, it is very, very easy, ma. You can do it like only one color only we'll be using in that. That's why I changed to this topic, okay? Like one Ganesha we have seen on Ganesha Chaturthi. That is enough, I think. Yeah, now I've completed with this red color. Now for the flowers and all, I wanted it to be little bright, okay? Only then in fridge and all, if we keep, it should be contrast to this also, as well as it should be bright too. So I've decided to give orange and pink in neon. Color choice is purely your choice only. Whatever thing you want, you can give. Now I am going to do it with neon pink in the center Or only with neon pink also you can do it. If you feel that orange may not go well with, it may not be contrast for this red color, then you can go with neon pink alone. I am doing it. Okay, if you want, you can use orange also, no problem. Orange I'll give for this candles. Okay, that too very lightly we can give. If you wanted the leaves also to be brighter, actually this is so wet that I can't handle it in the hand. Okay, I think everyone you can see both, all the sides also you need to do it. Apply it nicely. No places you should be able to, only by lifting and seeing in all the sides we'll be able to see whether any gap is there with white without filling the colors or something like that. So you find all those places, see in all directions and all angles you have to see. Otherwise it's very difficult to point out. In same direction if we keep and color, then we may miss out some places. So you need to color it like this. I've colored it like this. Then for the leaves, I'm going to use neon green only. Because neon color, it is really a great thing. Like in so many works, it is really helpful. Very bright they are. Such a nice product actually. Touch very little of the neon color, green. And give it for the leaves. Leaves too, you need to check whether at the back or lifted area and all that pointed part, everything is colored with the back side. All those things you just check and do it. Even for the flowers at the back, if it is lifted, you just color it in that area too.
Can you adjust the camera so we can see?
Thank you, ma'am. Just while doing, we couldn't focus on all these things. See, like this, you finish coloring for the leaves also. Okay. And later, for the candle, I wanted it to be very mild. So I'm going to give very light blue or something you can give. Even with white, you can do it. But since because the portion itself, it is very tiny portion, I'm going to give it directly the light blue or sky blue, you can do it, color it. I'm taking sky blue color and just coloring to one side alone, make it dark. Since because this molded color itself, it's white, no? Like you can color it very dull to one side. Another side, by touching water, you can just spread and leave. So that it will look little lighter over the other side, and the one side let it be little dark. If you want, you can use little of, if you want to show that little darker over one side, and touch little cerulean even and use it to one side. The other side you can use. Only very tiny amount you need to take, okay? Wash the brush nicely and then try to spread it so that it will look a real shaded effect will be there. It will look real. On the tip of the thing like flame and all, how to give means like orange you can give and a little of yellow you can give at the bottom. Yellow and orange. Yellow you take only lemon yellow. The starting point you just make it with yellow and the top portion let it be with orange. It can be anything like neon orange or whatever maybe. Actually, again also we are going to running short of time. Flame. Okay. While handling the flame part, it has become small. You just make it pointed over this place. If any correction is there, this is such a cute thing, okay? Backside fully you need to color it with black and then place the magnet over here. So balancedly it should be placed, okay? If you keep it somewhere here and all, then it may not stand properly on the fridge. So you have to place the magnet in such a way that it is placed properly. Apply enough of glue over this place or on the magnet and just keep it over here. Like allow it to dry for some time, then only you need to touch the magnet and place it in the fridge and all. You have to allow it to dry. Here, this part, you just make it get stick like this. Okay, apply fully black, you apply, just stick the magnet here, that's all. I'll show you one or two, like I'll show you how to do it. Black color you can take, just apply, and we'll be finishing the work. Is it really such a cute work, isn't it? Backside fully, I wanted it to be black, okay? For the lifted portion and all, we have given earlier itself the color what we wanted to give. While applying black, be careful that it doesn't go to the front side. Do it very neatly and carefully. Holding it in the hand, I'm unable to do. Just because of that, I'm leaving it down, okay? If we leave it without coloring, it may not look finished. Touch little color alone. You can even use flat brushes if it is very flat, okay? Here, I'm using pointed because we have got so many depressions and all. So it has to go inside that portion and all. That's why I didn't choose flat brush, okay? Yeah. To a certain extent, I have colored fully at the back with black. And then apply glue. Actually, you don't do it immediately and all. Allow the clay to dry nicely and then place the magnet. I'm using Fevicol A Plus just because the sticking thing will be good in this. Just keep it like this. Don't do anything. Allow it to stick nicely, okay? Don't handle it immediately. Allow it to dry. Then your Ganesha is completed. Fridge magnet Ganesha is completed. Okay. Such a cute work actually. And for this also same thing. Back side you just apply black color. See that you are not doing it in the front. Don't touch too much water. Then if you have any holes or anything inside, it may flow in the front, okay? So it's better use only direct acrylic colors without touching water. If the flow is not good, then touch water and do it. Nothing to worry about that. When the brush dries and all, you need to take the... I'll allow this to dry for some time because it is a little bit wet. Now both the works, it is completed. Like I have taught you 2 of the works, okay? When it is semi-dry, you can alter the shape of the thing, anything if you want, you can just change and leave, okay? Thank you, Ma. If you have any doubt, you can just ask me. I believe everyone you understood the thing. Thank you.